In front of me is XIAOMI 17T, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on this microphone at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select gear icon instead. Choose voice typing and use this switcher next to use voice typing to activate it if it's not already on. Then go back to your keyboard, click on microphone 1, choose while using the app, and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. Now, if you wanna stop, you can pause or use the same microphone. But you can also click on your microphone and tap on tiny icon right next to it. Then choose next, select done, and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. To delete text on the go, use this button with an X. If you want to move your toolbar around, you can always do that by holding it and dragging it. If you want to remove any suggestion, hold it and drag it to remove button. To manage some available options, click on those 3 lines on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, use keyboard icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!